happens. Oh, I ate it! Oh. Sorry. Oh, rock. Twice. I thought it tasted salty.
Good job, guys.
Did it really? Is it gone? Sorry. We still got it? Damn. Okay. All right. Yeah, I really didn't mean to cause something extra to think about.
No, that's okay. Let's go. 4-1. 4-2.
I got a foot back still. Shit. Yeah, I'm losing my shoe. Good. Almost is cool.
Almost is okay. Coming out, not okay.
Alright, that was class 3, guys. This middle section is very consistent. So we have another class 4 coming up. Double surf. We're gonna surf there.
Hey. That's where we surfed last time.
We're going over. We might surf it a couple times.
Hey.
Go over 2.
That foot is supposed to be back. Fuse.
Yeah, tucked in. Like tuck it into the side. Spread your legs, like.
Maybe scoot your butt forward more.
Well, then I hit Jamie, and Jamie doesn't like it.
Well.
If we're in sync, you should hit with your paddle,
You know?
right?
Right.
I
mean,
the
if you're-
side of your foot needs to be tucked into
If
there.
you're tight, you're
There
fine,
you
but
go.
I was tight. It was fine.
Yeah, you're good. I like this thing.
he's gonna say hit. He said he's gonna call us to get down. Thank God for helmets. She cracked me on the head.
I did?
Yep.
What, my paddle? My paddle?
Yeah. I'm not worried about the dry box. I'm not worried about the dry box.
He's working on that right now.
I put my money in it, my credit card.
So this is exactly where we
You're trying to pop somebody?
no
They're trying to serve.
paddle. Watch your paddle. Key grip.
Keep coming back. What's these guys?
Just trying to keep you safe, sweetheart.
Double serve. This is what we're about to serve.
Double suck. Don't you remember double suck?
Get it, you said. You better swim after your boat. It's hard to get in there with two people like that. You need one in the front, at least.
Hold the weight down.
They can hold it though. They're both guys. They got it. Break it sideways. Yeah. Maybe we'll see somebody get dumped. Backwards. Woo!
That's where it gets squirrely.
Once that boat gets full. This can be fun. Yeah! It's a nice level.
So what's up with these rocks over here with the flats?
You see that grass that's growing straight out of the rock? It's like a bluish green grass right here. It's called Ruth's Golden Aster. It's a little
Yeah.
yellow flower, and it blooms once a year in the fall. And
Huh.
it's endangered species. It only grows everybody falls out of going with the rope. Someone grab me. Seriously,
No joke.
they'll carry me down.
We saw it happen right here last time we were on it. Dude was fine. Totally fine. Our boat actually threw him the rope.
Oh yeah, they went deep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I hope he takes our spot. Big bump, big bump. You training with me? Yeah. Let's go 240.
Yeah. Watch right side. You are the man, sir.
All right, let's get in here. Hold on a second. Go forward two. Two more. Keep going. Go forward one. Forward one.
All right. Whoa. All right.
Sorry.
Here we go! Woo! Yes, we did!
Gotta get some more footage.
Oh, sorry.
Gotta do it again. You're so.
That's a good thing.
This was completely underwater.
Let's go forward two, guys.
We're not going into it when it's so hot.
Man, I keep
It
rubbing
hurts.
my jacket.
I can't bail out of
On
this
my knee.
fast.
I just leave my foot in it and put my other one up
Hurts. My
there.
foot to do that. It hurts my ankle.
It makes popping up a lot easier.
Does it?
Alright. Look. Pull it in here, and then you lean, drop it, and
Hey, right side. Go forward. Right side.
we struggled with the back paddling last time too. Comparatively, you know.
I feel like I'm doing what you're saying, so.
I don't know. Maybe I'm going too deep because you're getting around quicker than me. I am so out of shape.
They're going in. I'm getting it on video, too.
That'll be